Hello, 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 everyone. I am Coach Max. I'm here to do a getting started, fast start training for you guys. Getting started with Tradera and getting started with the Lit Trade House. I started the Lit Trade House a couple of months ago and it has tremendously grown. We now have a team to date over 11,000 people. I'm also the creator of the 20 pips and dip technique here at the Lit Trade House. So I am one of the master traders on the team. And I'm here to show you guys exactly what you need to do when you're getting started. So first things first, you want to go ahead and make sure that you're inside the Lit Trade House Facebook group. This is the group for our whole entire team over here at Tradera. Very important, okay? In this group, you'll see things like, there's a pin post here, very important. Make sure you plug yourself in. And when you get people to join the team, they plug in. We have our Tradera launch manual. So you want to go ahead and download this here. When you pop this open, this is the first thing you need to do. When you pop open the manual, okay, there's a lot of things that you need to pay attention to, such as defining why are you doing this business, right? How do you get acclimated into the community that we have, getting connected. So you want to go ahead and get connected to our chat right here. This is our Telegram chat. You want to go ahead and get inside our Facebook group. Once again, we have a signals group that you need to get a part of. And if you want our marketing system, this is how you get the marketing system. There's information in here for you to learn about your rank and how to build your team and what to look forward to building your team. But one of the most important things in here I do want to discuss is this 2-week study guide. Okay, it's a step-by-step guide to get you in the markets in 2 weeks flat. Okay, so it goes over week 1, where to find this information right here in your back office. We're going to talk about that in a second. And it goes over week 2, what you should be doing in week 2. So first and foremost, back to Lit Trade House, guys. I have some of these links already here, including this video. In this group, you're going to find people on our team that's, new members that are being shouted out, people that are ranking up are being shouted out. A lot of that is going on. People are being welcomed. We do Forex affirmations. That's the big thing for me. You can ask questions in this group. You can put tips in this group and just really have a conversation. I'm going to point you over in a direction to our units tab. Okay. In the units tab, we have more getting started references. Okay. Trainings that I've done in the past, a step-by-step for newbies. Forex resources is unit number 2. A lot of things back here. I'm really big on candlestick patterns, and make sure you come sign up for a TradingView account there. That's the web browser software for charting. What is Forex is back here. Again, the Candlestick Bible, make sure you come and download that. Then we have a few things here for you to understand pips. We have IBO resources, IBO standing for Independent Business Owner. How to get your broker started, we have videos on that. Team trading sessions, so any trading sessions that I do, guys, will be right here in unit number 6. One of the most recent master classes that I did is right here. Then we have other trainings that myself and some of the other team leaders do. And you have a place for you to come, write down your Forex affirmations on a daily basis. That post is right here. And then we have a question thread, very important. In the question thread, you're able to come and ask any questions at all right here in the comment section, and I personally will come and answer you because my inbox is a little overloaded, so I like for everything to stay structured. So we have an amazing community here where we're just having a lot of talk about Forex. Okay, so inside the Tradera launch manual, let's go over to week number 1 where it says go into educational platform, then Forex, where you can learn, the Forex mobile trading platform is an introduction to Forex, and the computer trading platform. So let's go over there real quick. When you log in to your back office, this is what you're gonna see. It's gonna show you your rank, your name. This is your referral link. Okay, you can change this into a picture. It's gonna show you, do you have your client membership? This is what you pay for, your $99. Are you an IBO? Are you an independent business owner? To show it separate, it'll show you your current rank. and your next rank. This is kind of cool. This is a team map of people all from around the world. As you guys can see, we're spread across just about over 50 countries all over the world here. It'll show you your current downline and some more other information down there. Okay, then the second thing back here is trade alerts. Okay, so it'll show you how we're doing to date. We have caught over 19,000 pips, and it shows you the date and, you know, if the trade is in progress or what's going on with those trades. Okay, then you have live sessions. How do you access your live sessions? Right here, the green button where it says join live session. You can join anytime, Sunday through Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern, with our master trader, Derek Conway. And all of our previous sessions are uploaded into your back office, so you can come and kind of learn from the master trader of the company. Then we have fundamental analysis right here over to your left. This is basically going over with what is going on in the world. Very cool stuff here. And I kind of like this because, as you guys know, there are some very interesting things going on around the world, and you're here to read this stuff and see how it is in correlation with the Forex market. It's very interesting stuff, so you're able to keep up with the fundamentals and learn how it integrates with the Forex market. Okay, then we have market forecasts. These are different charts that the master traders, the CEOs go over. The CEOs do trade, and they basically show you what to look for. For example, this is the Great British Pound over the Japanese yen. We have the Facebook stock, oil, gold, the USD index, the S&P 500 index. So this is what they're looking at for the week, and these market forecasts come out on a Sunday. Okay. Then we have important things like member support back here. This is frequently asked questions. If you guys have any questions, you can email support and they will get back to you fairly quickly, but more than likely within the 24 hours as is stated here at the support@tradera.org. You know, how do you cancel your membership? How do you reactivate? Where the alerts sent to, the trade alerts. I believe there's a link back here to join the chat. Okay, so come back here and look at that. Subscription, guys, make sure that you're subscribed. If you're subscribed as a client, make sure it's active. If you're subscribed as an IBO, make sure it's active. It's gonna ask you for your card and things of card details right here to make sure that your subscription is going through. Then we have rank analysis. Okay, your rank analysis shows you your total active personals. How many personals do you have? How many active people you have on leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, your current rank, your next rank, how many peer customers do you have, all of that good stuff. It's back here so you can see it broken down. Under network, you have things like the genealogy tree, which, you know, it shows you, and then it shows you, you know, your people and what's going on with them, and you're able to see if they're active and things like that. When you're placing people, they will go to the holding tank. Okay, so if you don't have anybody in the holding tank, it'll be blank, but if you did have anybody in the holding tank, it'll basically show you how to place them within the genealogy tree. So if you have, for example, an empty circle, let's see, like if I was to place somebody and I had an empty circle right here, I would put that person where it says no user, and it would show up in the holding tank. It will ask you to confirm, and you just place that person in this empty spot, whichever empty spot that you have. Okay, so let's go over to educational platform. All right, so in the Tradera launch manual, it says Forex mobile trading platform. So you will come over to education, come over to Forex, and then you have the intro to Forex, Forex terminology, Forex industry, the Forex trading basics, charting, and boom, here is the Forex mobile trading platform. You would click view, and then it also asks you to view the computer trading platform, view, and you can do this right here, week 1. Then you're gonna go back 1, and you're gonna scroll down past cryptocurrency, past commodities, past indices, past stocks, and come down to technical analysis. Okay, so when you're inside your Tradera launch manual, the first thing that you want to pay attention to is educational platform, technical analysis, support and resistance. Okay, so support and resistance, you're going to go ahead and view, I'll show you what it looks like. It has a bunch of different units, and you're going to review your training. This is where you're going to get started. So it tells you to view unit number 1, okay? Sign up for a free TradingView account. Create your broker account and your demo account, okay? It explains to you what micro is and it explains to you what ECN is. These are 2 different account types, all right? If you have any confusion about how to set up your broker, there is a video in the units tab underneath getting a broker, okay? And you can go ahead and get your broker signed up by following the instructions inside that video. Now, moving along, you have day 2, which is units 2, 3, 4, and 5 right here. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's what you would watch. Make sure you get a notebook and take notes. Okay, then we're gonna go back one. Then element number 2 is trend identification. So this is how do you find a trend in the market. You wanna go ahead and watch those videos. One of the most important things that I personally feel, which is why I put it inside the manual, is market structure. Okay, understanding the swing of the market is really important. So you have that here in element number 4, market structure. Then you're gonna go over price action. Okay, price action has to do with the candlesticks. So you wanna go ahead and make sure that you're watching some of these videos beyond what is recommended here on day 6, yes, about the candlesticks. Now, one of my most favorite things that I like to teach people is right here in the Forex resources, and it's the Candlestick Bible. The Candlestick Bible and this price action element go hand in hand so you can learn how to read the candlesticks and how to know when to take buys and when to take sells, because the candles basically print data based upon price, so it gives you more knowledge in what to do in certain scenarios when you're trading. Very important, okay? You can skip over market environment, Fibonacci analysis, and Elliott wave theory. That's a little bit intermediate. You can come back to that at a later time. And you want to come over to risk management, and you want to come over to the intraday strategy. This multiple time frame analysis, I would say, is optional, but you can watch it as well. You can skip over element 11, so element 9 optional, but definitely watch element 10 and element 12 as what is stated here in the intraday strategy. Then you want to go ahead and you want to go ahead and sign up for my website that teaches you my strategy that I trade with. This is a scalping technique, which means you're going to be in and out the market fairly quickly, okay? So you're going to sign up at 20pipsanddip.com, okay, as is broken down here. You're going to choose 2 to 3 pairs and what's to follow, okay? You have the AUD, USD, for example, the GU, very popular, UJ, that's one of my favorite pairs. You have minor pairs that you can pick. Okay, you're gonna consistently follow 2 to 3 pairs every single week. So it's very important. And you wanna go ahead and hop on a intro to Forex training so that you can understand when you should be trading, okay? You're gonna commit to 2 to 3 live sessions per week. That means you're gonna come over here to your live trading sessions, and either you're gonna watch a few replays from the current week, or you're gonna click this button at the appropriate time, and you're gonna hop on a live session with Derek Conway, okay? Then you're gonna, again, watch my masterclass here, 20pipsanddip.com. You can register, okay? And then you're gonna go ahead and create your 20 pips and dip trading plan. So you go to this link, it's gonna take you to a file, okay? It shows you your beginning balance. You can change your aggression setting. And then, you know, you can type in where you want to start, but you have to first follow the instructions where it says go to file and make a copy and save to your Google Documents. Gives you instructions on that. Now, if you want to go ahead and build a team, there is so much knowledge inside the rest of the manual for you to go ahead and create a team. Okay, so once again, this is your overview page for your back office. Super simple. Your educational tab is here. There's tons of knowledge here. Inside technical analysis, you want to start going over your knowledge. Get plugged into the community, guys. We have an amazing community here. I'm so excited and fired up to be you guys as coach, mentor, and team leader for the Lit Trade House. I want to go ahead and thank all of the other team leaders that are there day to day inside the community. Like I said, you guys, if you have questions about absolutely anything, you want to go ahead and plug into our Lit Trade House team chat. If you're a leader watching this video, please make sure that your people get this information so that they can plug in and plug in properly. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it for right now. I hope to see you guys on the other side. I hope to see you guys catching pips like crazy, and I'm looking forward to talking to you within the community. Have a great day, guys.